Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really fun to show you. A Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Style quiz game I made with Python that uses AI to generate questions. So, in this game, you get to answer multiple choice questions to win virtual money, just like the TV show. The questions come from the Ollama API, which means you get a mix of different topics. One cool thing about this game is that it keeps track of all the questions you've seen, so you won't get the same question twice. Pretty neat, right? We've also got lifelines just like in the real game. You can use 50-50, phone a friend, and ask the audience when you're stuck. And guess what? These lifelines are also powered by the API, making them super interactive. Everything runs locally on your PC. Now, by default, the script downloads the Llama 3.1 model, but you can try out different models if you want. Just download them and see how they work with the game. If you want to give this a try or check out the code, you can download it from my GitHub. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.